Meron tayo dito mga green text like decimal, hexadecimal, binary, and octal. Ginagamit natin ito sa base na hindi naman talaga ginagamit sa civil engineering. Naalala ko, ginagamit namin to nung high school wherein we need to convert one into the other. So, from decimal to hexadecimal to binary to octal, yun. Ginagamit namin yun palagi. Nung high school pa ako sa computer science subject, pero ngayon hindi na. So, daanan na lang natin ito once we get to that mode. Next is ito, square root and cube root. So, self-explanatory, this gives you the square root of a number and the cube root of a number. Yun lang yan. Okay? Next is ito, exponent and nth root. So, again, self-explanatory na rin. Kung gusto nyo ng exponent, for example, 9 to the 5th, o kaya yung 5th root ng 9. Yon. Next, squared and cube. So, again, hindi ko na siguro kailangan i-elaborate ito, no? So, 8 squared, kaya 9 cube. Yan. Next is ito, logarithm. So, I think most of you ay familiar na sa logarithm from high school, pero to refresh, logarithm is like the inverse of an exponential equation. So, for example, syempre, alam na natin na 10 cube is equal to 1,000. Ngayon, kung isusulat natin siya in logarithmic form, ito ay magiging log base 10 of 1,000 is equal to 3. So, parang ni-reorder lang natin yung mga numbers involved. Tandaan nyo rin na kapag may log tayo na walang base, automatically base 10 na siya. Kapag gusto nyo namang lagyan siya ng base, ang gagawin nyo lang is press alpha and then log. Dito na tayo magkakaroon ng base. Now, bigay naman tayo ng example ng exponential equation with another base. So, for example, 6 squared is equal to 36. Kapag isusulat naman natin siya into a logarithmic equation, ito ay magiging log base 6 of 36 is equal to 2. So, yun yung gamit ng logarithm natin. Sa shift function niya, meron tayong 10 to the power of n. Pwede rin natin itong gamitin as an alternate sa sinulat ko kanina na 10 cube is equal to 1,000. So, you can use this or you can use yung normal na 10 cube. So, sana natulungan kayo ng video na ito. If you want more tips like this, subscribe kayo sa aming channel for more future videos. Thank you for watching.